Hi guys, today I will explain how to send gifts on Binance. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is open the Binance application. Once it will be open, take a look on the left top, you can see an Binance icon. Click on it, and here you will see a lot of options, but you cannot find the option of gifts. So in order to see that, click on the option More Services. Now scroll down, and here you can see the option of gift campaigns. And on the last line, you can see the option of My Gift. Click on it, and you can see the option of gift received and gift sent, just like we want to send. Then click on it, and here you can see the option of Create. Click on it. On the top, you can see the option of Standard Gift. Click on it, and here you can select what you want to choose. This one is amount per gift, and here click on it. And here is the option of tokens. You can also search for your own tokens, and here you can write the content. And this one is Message to User. This one is Advanced Setting. Click on it. And here you can see for new user only and Referral Pro. So if you want to turn it off, then turn it off and click on the option Sent. And it was the way by which you can send gift on Binance.